Hi guys, today I will teach you about the hover effect. As you can see, when you hover over it, it can show the card you want to create, and when you remove the hover effect, it will go back to its normal position. So should we start it or now? Okay guys, let's start. First of all, we need to set up our HTML code. So we need a div, and in div we need to create a class. So first of all we have to create class, and I name it container 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 container. I try to use as simple as possible because these words are mostly used in coding, so it is easy to understand. That's all. And we have to create another div for our icon. So you need a class, and we name it icon. Yes, simple and easy. And in it we just need just one h1, so it will look bigger. And but we want to write it, I will prefer it to capital A. So you want to write anything else, mean to say a sentence or a few words, it's on you. Okay, so I will change it to A, or I will change it to I think so A is better. Okay, let's go to our div section. So that's for it. Now we have to arrange a paragraph which can we show, and we write it lorem, and it will automatically create some paragraph for us. So we done in HTML code. Now mostly work is done in CSS. As you can see, this window represent HTML, this window represents CSS, and this window represent how we change our code. Any effect which will cause an effect in HTML will show there. Mean to say, if I have to write some CSS in it, it will affect HTML, and the final effect will be shown in this window. So now let's start it with our CSS code. First of all, we have to arrange the body. So I will have body, and in body we should set up our background color. Oh shit, not border, it's background, sorry for that. And the background color should be aqua, and color scheme depend upon your choice. Okay, I'm not very good with color schemes, so please bear this. I will set margin and padding to 0. So what happened today, padding there, padding 0, so it will not affect and lock our body. Okay, now the main thing, the container. So we have to select the container class. As I showed you earlier, CSS is the most easy and lovable language, as you know. Now first of all we have to set width. I will set it to 300 pixel, it is okay for me. You can set it 400, 500 according to your need or screen. So I will set it 300 and 320 because height is always be bigger than width for a card. And background color should be violet. No, that is not good. I should need a light color, so I would write it light coral, light green. Yeah, light green is a lot better because it is easy to see. Okay guys, now we need some padding, because padding make it look better, but not too much. I think so 20 pixel is enough. Yeah, as you can see, 20 pixel is enough. Now we need to align text. So text alignment, where is the text align? I think that the photos, and the text should be in center, so it look great. After text, if you want to set font family, it's on you. I will always set font family, but it's on you. I will set it Arial, your choice, because these things are changeable, so you can set according to your need. and now we have to set our position, which should be absolute. So where is absolute? After that we need some overflow command. Overflow mean to say if something got overflow, it would be hidden, it would not show outside the box. So after that, top should be 50%. And why would I set it, I will tell you later, because that when we put some transition in it, it will not change and our figure will not be disoriented. Okay, top left has been set. Now we have to set some other thing because it is in center. As you can see, this window is small but it is in center. So top left I will show you with whole window. Top left has been setted. Now we need some transform command, and in transform command we need translate, which should be minus 50%. Okay, and with a comma I need other minus 50%. It will represent x-axis and y-axis. Why would I set it? Because when we transit it, it will not change its position. Otherwise, if I set it simply, when the transition effect take place, it will rupture the screen, so it will not good. You can test it, because I can't test it here because people in YouTube need to things more clearer and faster. If I go for in petty details, they will not like it and just skip the video. So I want to teach them in more simplest and possible way, so they cannot have to bear me for longer period. Okay guys, container. Here is the most important part. I think so we have to set paragraph. Position should be relative because it need to be relative. And the other thing we have to set is top, which should be, I think so, 55 pixel or 60 pixel. It's on you. Yeah, I think 60 pixel is much better. It depend upon you. Okay? Opacity would be 0 because I don't want to see you. And transition effect would be, I think so, 3 seconds is enough, because we don't need a longer transition delay. And transition delay should be 2 seconds max. Okay guys, I think so we are set for it. Anything else? No, not a single thing. Now we have to set our icon setting, and this one is the longest one. Okay, first of all we have to select our icon container, mean to say icon class. When we select it, we need to set its height. First of all, its height should be 50 or 60 pixel according to your need. You can change it according to your need, but I will roughly have an idea of 50 pixel. That is enough for me. As you can see, it will change its place position, but I will set it into center. Just wait. Margin would be 0, and I think so margin 0 and should be auto because I need to transit it. Okay, 2 margin means 0 means up down left right. Left right would be auto, up down would be 0. Margin has always 4 location, up down left right, but I set it to 2. When you go into CSS deeply, you will understand what I trying to tell. So if you don't understand, that's okay, just copy me. Background color, yeah guys, which one I have to choose? Aqua marine, azure, basic, it's on you. So I have to choose azure marine. Not good, I think so it should be navy. Not at all. Should be light color, I hope so. Green, no. Okay guys, I'm not good with color schemes. I think so light color is better, it is more prominent. Okay, now I have to set line height, and the line height should also be 50 pixels, so it should look more accurate. And we need border radius, so the rectangle turn into a circle, and border radius should be 50%, so it will like a circle. You can reduce the border radius if you like that, but I will prefer circle. Okay, we need a transition effect in it, so transition effect will be delayed, I think so, 5 seconds with ease. You can set it ease in, ease out according to your need. I will just setting for a general purpose so everyone could understand it more precisely. Absolute and left would be 50% of pixel, I think so. Percent is better option, so it can go on. Now to the transition, sorry, transform, I think so. Transform would be better option for me. Then I have to set it on x-axis, and it would be minus 50%. So you can call me why I want to set it again and again, because in transition effect everything set to be in center. If I set it not set it to 50% and other one, as you can see here in top container it is 50%, but I will not set it 50% or 100%, then the transition effect will not be created very well. Some effect goes here, some other way, there is not a single harmony in it. So we create some harmony and connection between them. So the last one would be hover effect. So first of all we need a container. In container we need to hover effect, and in hover we need icon. So it is simple. I trying my best to make it as simple as possible, but sometimes you can't make it such things simple, but I try my best. Height, width would be same, so because I would not change it, height, width and line height also be, I think so, better if I set it to 800 pixel, because same effect will take place. Okay, we should go down. Okay, now what we need, a background color, and it would be, I think so, the background color should be like this. I don't know which color is it, but it's okay. And we need to transform, and the transform should be translate, and translate should be minus 50%, comma minus 45%. Okay, I think I have set it all. Should we check it or not? Okay, I will go there and I will come back. So one thing I have to not shown here is P. So where is our P? Here is our P, and which thing we have not set it in P, so I can't see it. Okay, wait, we have to set opacity level, which I have missed. Container, hover, and which thing we are not saying, P, so it will show the P, and opacity would be 1, I think so. Now we can see, refresh it. Okay, yes, here is our thing, and when we hover it again, it will go to its normal position and the hover effect will be dismantled. So here is the browser effect. I will show you in a clearer picture. When we hover over it, it will show that. When we remove the hover effect, it will go back to its normal position. Any question you have it, just comment. Thanks a lot. Bye.